Pinangunahan ni Pangulong Aquino ang Vandenur o Wine of Honor sa palasyo kaninang umaga. Dinaluhan ito ng mga matataas na opisyal ng gobyerno, miyembro ng Diplomatic Corps at iba't ibang international organizations.
We have been working to fulfill a mission to empower every Filipino to become a proactive agent of change in nation building. In 2013, we witnessed for ourselves how this transformation is becoming permanent. We saw it in the many Filipinos who came to the aid of their countrymen ravaged by Typhoon Pablo in the widespread flooding caused by the monsoon rains, or what we call habagat. This transformation is seen in the soldiers and volunteers who ensured the safety of the people of Zamboanga City as we responded to security challenges, and also in those who provided necessary relief and encouraged others to provide even more in the aftermath of the earthquake that hit Bohol. This transformation was manifest in the very attitude of the survivors, our affected brothers and sisters who actively clamored and worked with us to rebuild their lives, livelihoods, and communities.
Pinasalamatan naman ng Pangulo ang lahat ng mga Pilipino at dayuhan na nagbigay ng tulong at ayuda sa Pilipinas dahil sa mga nagdaang krisis na kinaharap nito.
To everyone gathered here, it is with a sincere sense of gratitude that I tell you, the Filipino people remember who their friends are. Filipinos never forget an instance of kindness and will constantly look for ways to repay those who stood by them in the most difficult times. In our language, we call this utang na loob.
Positibo naman ang Pangulo na mas lalo pang magtatagumpay ang mga Pilipino ngayong taon at mas mapapaigting pa ang ugnayan ng Pilipinas sa iba't ibang bansa.
To all Filipinos who made our mandate of change possible and who continue to promote good governance, may we reap even greater successes this year. And to all our partners and friends from the world over, may we continue to strengthen the bonds that link us as one community, sharing a single world. And with that, may I propose toast? Mabuhay!
Ang Vandenur ay ginaganap 2 beses sa isang taon, tuwing Bagong Taon at Araw ng Kalayaan. Ito ang ika-26 na pagdiriwang simula noong 1986 EDSA Revolution. Ako ang inyong kaibigan, Marge Wamar para sa Newslight.